We barely had started using the iPhone 17 series, and here is your first ever massive leak regarding the upcoming iPhone from Apple, which will most likely be called the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. The regular iPhone 18 will not launch next year in September, as Apple is shifting its release cycle, and now the iPhone 18 is expected to be released around March 2027. But for the iPhone 18 Pro series, there is a massive leak that says the next iPhone will no longer have a dynamic island. Yes, the dynamic island is going away. According to Mac Rumors, next year's iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will be equipped with under-screen Face ID, and the front camera will be moved to the top left corner of the display. This will be a punch-hole camera similar to what we currently see on Android phones, but instead of being placed in the center, this punch-hole camera will be moved to the left side. Maybe Apple is thinking that we already have notification panel icons always being displayed, so why not place the camera on the left side, allowing users to get used to it and think of it as just another part of the notification panel icons. Right now, we have no further information on how this new camera system is going to work, but make sure to subscribe as I will keep you guys updated about further developments from Apple. On the other hand, Apple is also aggressively working on a foldable iPhone. This iPhone is reportedly going to be much smaller and wider instead of being taller. The outer display is expected to be 5.3 inches. This is once again going to be a bold decision from Apple, and let's see how things unfold. Face ID on the next iPhone is also expected to be under the display, and if that turns out to be true, it is going to be a huge development from Apple. What are your thoughts on this new iPhone from Apple with a punch-hole camera on the left side of the display? Personally, I think Apple will do it, as they always tend to do something different from the rest of the market. I know we already had a similar punch-hole style on the Galaxy S9 back in 2019, but let's see what exactly happens.